In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your language on Snapchat. Let's see. Alright, so first of all, what you can see here, that I have my my Snapchat on Danish, and I want to change that over to English. And how you're gonna do that is go out of Snapchat. You're actually just gonna close it down like so. Then you need to go into settings. Then you need to go up here on the search tab and click Snapchat. And there it is. From here, you need to scroll down where it stands language. And then you need to click on that. And then you just need to click English. And then you can go back. Then you can go out. And then you can click on Snapchat again. And as you can see here, now your Snapchat has become English. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!